saying with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
Welcome back, guys. We're back. Alright, guys, this video, people, is all about the old time and games, people. Yeah, people, the old time and games, the childhood we used to play shame, 3 we used to have the thumb fight, rock, paper, scissors, guys, and all this kind of things.
So we're bringing back the 90s game.
No, far back than that. Things that people used to play them things there. But
when there's no internet.
Yeah, when on the internet, we used to do for fun. We used to go to play cricket and all them kind of things.
Usually play marble, usually play
I don't know what you used to do. So you can comment and tell me what you used to do. And then we could think there. You see me? So if you used to kick coconut, that's what we used to do.
Or usually use the box and play what that game is?
Stocky.
Yeah.
Dandy Shandy, yeah.
Usually play Dandy Shandy.
Cock up is a 10 and all them kind of thing there. But we're not out the door now. You see me?
But
So
we're just going to do the hand ones.
Yeah.
We can actually record right now.
In our next video,
we can do a part 2.
Outside one where we have the Dandy Shandy, the Stocky, the run and lick, hide and seek and all them kind of sicking there. But we used to play over we lick. So, let us play some hand game night.
Yep.
Yes, so
let's get into the
video. Anyways, guys, let's go in the video. Let's go. So, who shall we do first?
The first one we're gonna do
shame.
You have to inside way. Come on.
Shame. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Alright. All who don't know what shame.
It's called shame.
Let's go. Who shall we play? You know what we play?
Come. Shame.
Hit it. I don't wanna go to Mexico no more. Got the big fat police. You know how it would be, man. Go ahead.
Alright.
Come again. Can you know what you do?
So shame.
Hit it. I don't
Want to go to Mexico no more.
Got the big fat
Police in at the door. If you're licking by him collar, Ladi Muda holla.
If you're licking by him foot, Ladi Muda poop. So
that one.
Come.
Which other one?
3
and away
people,
we...
what are
Alright, so the second one is 3
and away we go.
Yeah. So 3 and away we...
Come like people, much older than me.
Come.
I'm here to pick me. Ready? 3 and away we go. So rocking and the chatting
all the day long, rocking and sucking and singing a song. All the little girl from JBC. Like to hear the rabbit go 3 go watch it. Come so last time.
They say if you don't know what we are do and what this all about, you see me?
Google them.
Say hold.
Google it.
young.
Anybody who don't know what kind of game we are playing, Google it. So 3 and away we go. So rocking and stocking all the day long, rocking and singing a song. The little boy from JBC. No bear. No one saw. Last time I saw. Come. 3 and away we go. So rocking. Last time. 3 and away we go. So rocking and stocking all the days long. Rocking and singing a song. No, Billy.
You don't have to stop.
And away we go, so rocking and...
Come on, I'm going to stop for other people.
No, 3 and away we go, so rocking and stocking all the days on, rocking and singing a song. All the little girls from JBC like to hear the rabbit go 3 tweet, go wash your body, go tweet. Tweet, go wash your body, go tweet. Tweet, go wash your body, go tweet.
Go wash your baggy.
Video. I mean, the third game is rock paper scissors.
Yeah, rock paper scissors, people.
Come.
Sita, rock paper scissors.
Ready?
Scissors, paper, rock. Right.
Rock.
What are you, man?
You do it.
My teeth in there. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper,
rock. Boom.
You fucking me now. Sure. Yeah, you go far. So, last time. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper,
scissors.
Last time. Last time. Rock, paper, scissors.
Cut it now.
So, I'm going to cut it.
So what if you do?
Alright. Rock, paper,
rock.
scissors.
So yeah, tell me, say now.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Why not? I can play for win. Win. It's a chicken item, people. It's a chicken.
Come.
I want a chicken item, people. If I say rock, paper, scissors, all the time, we are in the last part, the two will end up on scissors, so she have to trick me.
Alright, come.
You see me? Rock, paper, paper. You see, I cut it. Rock, paper. Come chop it. rock, paper, paper. You see, cut it. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, rock. Yes. I know she like it because she always end up on scissors.
Alright, the next one
And one
is
kind of have to play one kind of close up, you see me?
is the thumb.
So I want to know me used to play one
Regular.
school.
Yeah.
So me like this.
See?
So me and we go fight to catch her.
Yeah.
Who can hold up one of the thumb longer. Like
Yeah.
so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And she will try to come out tight, but she can't come out tight.
Are you ready?
Alright, let's go. Go. You love me?
Yeah.
How
Say
much?
your answer.
Well, you can't hold man. How much you love me?
100%.
How much you love me? Look like you're right, tell them.
100%.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
100%.
9, 10. People make her always in this camera stronger. Watch out, make you catch it. See, you can't catch it. 1, 2, 3, let's get it again. You can't catch it. Catch it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This I get 5, 6. This I get 5, 6. This I get boring. Yes.
Welcome, my guys.
Alright, guys.
So that is
guys.
the end of the video. It wasn't a long video. It was Babe's
Let's have fun.
idea.
Let's have fun night. Games night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
enjoy yourself.
Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and give us a big thumbs
So sometimes we just have a job, a games night video, isn't it?
Yeah.
Show you how we have fun.
And what we do on a regular basis since we're not vlogging at the moment. Yes, so don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can know when we upload.
Bye, guys.
So bye and peace.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right.